Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, November 17th, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every single trade. Our algorithm executed throughout the session. Market news. It was a relatively quiet Monday on the economic calendar. 8:30 a.m., New York Empire State Manufacturing Index came out. 9:30 a.m., Fed Governor Williams spoke. 10 a.m., construction spending data landed. 11 a.m., federal budget balance released. 1 p.m., FOMC member Kashkari spoke. 3:35 p.m., Fed Waller followed up later in the afternoon. No major tech earnings after the close. Overnight session. Right at 6 p.m., when futures opened, the Nasdaq dipped. But within 5 minutes, buyers stepped in and momentum flipped. Our robot picked up a long position. And as Asia opened, the Nasdaq kept grinding higher, pushing our unrealized gain above $200. Later, the market dipped again. So our robot locked in a clean profit on that long and took a short position, but that didn't last long. Nasdaq ripped higher. The short reversed into a long. By midnight, Nasdaq was hovering around 25,260. Morning session. As Europe opened, Nasdaq pulled back, and our robot entered a short position. At 8:30 a.m., the Empire State Manufacturing Index printed 18.7, beating last month's 10.7. The market briefly recovered, then dipped again, and we closed the short for a small profit. Now realized profit reached $237. At 9:30 a.m., when the U.S. stock market opened, tech stocks bounced and Nasdaq jumped. Our robot went long. Around 10 a.m., construction spending came in at 0.2%. Unchanged. The market didn't really respond. Net realized profit was $421. But at 11:30 a.m., Nasdaq pushed higher, and our robot grabbed a quick scalp long, bringing realized gains to $429. Afternoon session. The afternoon turned weak. At 1 p.m., Nasdaq dipped, stopping out our long. From there, the market chopped around the 25,000 level, and our robot took a couple more scalps. By then, realized profit reached $420 on Nasdaq and $141 on AMD, for a combined total of $588. At 3 p.m., Nasdaq dipped again, and our robot executed one more short, lifting realized gains to $500. But right before the close, one short got stopped out, pulling net realized profit to $476. After hours, no major news hit after the closing bell, which wrapped up a very active Monday. Summary. Today was a down day, with the Nasdaq falling roughly 300 points. Even so, our robot performed well, capturing $476, trading a single E-micro Nasdaq contract. AMD volume was extremely light, but we still managed $87 there. That brings total realized gains for the day to $563. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.